Hey guys, have you seen these AI Bigfoot videos? They are going insanely viral. In fact, there was an LA dentist, who has just exploded his practice by creating these AI Bigfoot videos. He typically would range, a couple thousand views on a video, but he created an AI video of a Yeti, a Sasquatch, a Bigfoot jumping out of a plane, breaking his teeth, and then getting them fixed. And his practice exploded overnight. He reached hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people. I think the last check was over 500,000 views on his videos. Practice completely booked out. He's set. And in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how to create these videos. I'm going to tell you the 3 tools. You need 3 tools to do this. You can make these videos for $100 basically, maybe a little bit more, but you can make these videos for $100. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. But first, I want to explain why you should not be making AI Bigfoot videos. You should not be making Bigfoot vlog videos right now. And let me explain exactly why. So you should not be making Bigfoot videos now because they're played out. There is way too much supply for the demand. This trend is done. So what happens in social media, and you're probably aware of this, is there's these trends, something goes super viral, it's mega popular, the algorithm sees that and just starts pumping it out to tons and tons of people. The problem is, if you're watching this video, the Bigfoot trend is done. It's too saturated. Too many people have been making these videos. I mean, in doing research for this video, I'm seeing entire channels dedicated to Bigfoot AI videos, Bigfoot vlogs, and they're funny. I get it, they're funny, but the trend is too hot right now. It's kind of worked its magic already. However, the lessons from the Bigfoot video are very important, because what you're going to do is you're going to learn how to make these types of videos. I'm going to explain exactly how to strategize it, put it together, and edit them. This is something anybody could do. Your 10-year-old could do this. Probably better than us, quite frankly, but your 10-year-old could do this. But I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that, because what is going to happen is there's going to be another mega viral trend. It's coming very soon. There's probably another mega viral trend happening as you watch this video. So what we want to do is we want to have all the standard operating procedures in place. So when that new mega viral trend happens, boom, we're ready to capitalize. We're ready to make those videos, okay? So, by the way, if you're into this stuff, if you really want to win with AI, please just like this video, leave a comment below. In a previous video, I had someone leave such a great comment, taught me a couple things about AI agentics and the future of the web. And it was so good that I actually pinned the comment, because I thought that it was valuable for me. It's going to be valuable for other people that watch these walk and talk videos. So leave a like, leave a comment if there's something that you think is valuable to the other viewers. All right, appreciate that. All right, cool. So let's talk about how to make these videos. These videos are primarily driven off of the revolutionary technology from Google called Veo 3. Google Veo 3. It is unreal what is possible with Veo 3, and where you can just type in words and those words are turned into just insanely realistic videos. I mean, it's going to completely transform the way the world works. Hollywood, news, everything has changed. Gaming, everything is going to fundamentally change because of this technology. Regardless, Veo 3 is the software that people are using to make these videos. However, you need to have a little bit of strategy behind it. So where I would start in making these videos is you're going to start with ChatGPT. And first you're going to start a chat, and you're going to prime the chat. You're going to teach the chat about your business or why you're making these videos, okay? You want to kind of let ChatGPT give ChatGPT some context on what you're actually trying to do. In fact, I'll put a link up here to a previous video I did on how to set your memories and how to train ChatGPT. It's about 5 minutes long. It's definitely worthwhile. I'll put it up here, okay? Regardless, you want to kind of prep ChatGPT and train it about what your business is, how you want to make money online, what your goal is with the project, okay? That's what you're going to do first. Second, after you've kind of primed it, understand, say, hey, ChatGPT, now I need you to help me create a prompt for Google's Veo 3. I want to create a video to promote my business, which it already knows about. I want you to help me create a video idea for an ad that I can run on social media. And we want to capture this latest trend. Maybe it's talking giraffes or something. Okay, I don't know what it's going to be, but that's why you need to be kind of paying attention to this channel and to what's happening on social media, because the sooner you're in on that viral trend, the better you're going to be. Bedford's Law, the first gets a massive upside. Okay, all right. So that's what you're going to do. It's going to give you a bit. It's in, you know, what you're trying to do is you're kind of trying to script out, because what this dentist did is he had a Bigfoot with a beer in an airplane. That was the first frame, because here's a limitation with Veo 3 is you're only going to be able to make clips that are about 8 seconds long. Right now, that'll improve, but right now your clips are going to be about 8 seconds long. Okay, so you need to kind of create, we'll call it 5 or 6 different 8-second scenes and then splice them together. So in ChatGPT, you want to write out your script of what the 5 or 6 different 8-second clips are going to be. In this guy's video, the first clip was the Bigfoot in a plane. The second clip was the Bigfoot skydiving. The third clip was the Bigfoot saying, "Oh, I busted my teeth. What am I going to do now?" The fourth clip was him in the surgeon's chair saying, "I'm so glad I went to this LA dentist because I'm getting my teeth fixed." And then the final clip was him walking through the city saying, "I'm so glad I got my teeth fixed. Look how sick these are. I'm going to go on a hot date." Boom, done. Hundreds and hundreds of thousands of views, thousands of leads for this guy's business. So that's what you want to do. You want to kind of script out 5 or 6 or 7 8-second clips. And then you need to, again, ask it for the prompt for each clip. Okay. Now that you've got your script, now that you've got your clips, now you're going to go over to Google's Veo 3. Now listen, guys, this is crazy. Veo 3 is actually free to use to start. The paid tier is $100 a month, and you're going to be able to create more videos more quickly. It's probably worth it. If you're really serious about this, guys, if you're really serious about making money online, you're going to want to spend a little bit to get a little bit. That said, you can start for free, and then if you feel like you've got some momentum, drop the $100, start playing with these videos. Okay. By the way, that dentist didn't spend $1 on advertising. He just made the video, and it just went so crazy organically viral. That's what we're shooting for here. Just blew up on Instagram. Okay, so there's a lot to cover here, right? So just to kind of recap, you're going to start with ChatGPT to write out to prime what you're trying to do. Next, you're going to help it to write out the scripts for your for your video, and then lastly, you're going to ask it to create prompts for the 8-second clips. Again, you want 5 to 6 clips. Take those, start, and then go over to Google's Veo 3. And you're going to ask it to you're going to basically copy and paste your prompts, and you're going to start getting your videos. Okay, you might need to play with them a little, like you might need to play with your prompts a little bit. And after about 20 minutes, you're probably going to feel like a freaking rock star genius. It is, guys, it is not hard. It is not hard. Okay, so anyway, you're going to create these videos, and then you're going to say, okay, Mark, now what the hell? I've got all these video clips, but I don't know how to splice them together. What do I do? Well, the tool that I would recommend for that is called CapCut. There's a bunch of them, but if you're a beginner and you're not into tools like Adobe's Premiere Pro and all these other video editing tools, just use CapCut. CapCut is super simple. You'll be able to put all these clips together. Okay. Then you've got these clips, and well, now what do? You go and you post them. You go and you post them, and I'm not going to get into all the hashtags and descriptions and the tagging and all that stuff that can go into Instagram versus LinkedIn versus X in this video. But what I really wanted to kind of illuminate is the chances to go mega viral here are crazy, absolutely insane. You don't need to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on a large ad company. Okay, you can actually make this happen for pennies on the dollar. Right? Like this entire breakdown is, less than $150. And not only can you make one video, you can make 5, 6, 10. You can make a bunch of videos to see which one really hits, because it's sometimes hard to tell. So anyway, let's kind of recap before we close this out. And by the way, if you're still watching, make sure you hit the subscribe and leave a comment below. That's a huge help for me, and it lets me know that you're actually engaged and you like what I'm doing here. If you don't like what I'm saying, then type that in the comments below, because look at me, I'm sweating like crazy here. It's noon in Tampa Bay, Florida. It's freaking nuts. It's freaking nuts. Speaking of nuts, I got a squirrel right here eating a nut. All right, so that's it, y'all. Appreciate you watching the video. Go out and conquer. It's not that hard to do this stuff. I've just been absolutely blown away by what's possible with AI video. All these AI tools are insane. If you really want to keep up to date, certainly smash subscribe helps, but go to AI-update.ai. That's AI-update.ai. That's where I'm just pumping out the newest news, the freshest stuff, and where I'm getting the information that I can relate to you. All right, so anyway, make it great. I'll catch you next video. Peace.